Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to increase font size on TikTok account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here to open my TikTok app. Just like so. After you open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the bottom side right here. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings and privacy. To open up into this particular page. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on accessibility right here. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on text size. It's open up like so. What you need to do here is to simply drag this slider towards based on the size of the font size you want. So what I'm going to do here is to simply adjust. So the more you adjust the slider, the larger the font size and icons become big in TikTok. Once you're satisfied with the size, click on adjust. And with that, all your TikTok icons, text is going to be increased based on your default setting. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how to use your TikTok account. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.